Hello, I'm Miss Edie. I'm at Mama Lewis's house. She's resting at this moment. We now, of course, with this COVID thing, when I get close to Ma, I try to remember to put my mask on to protect her from me, But anyways, COVID's no fun. And just in case, I'm dressed in many layers. Okay, but what I've come on here to talk about is that I'm going to be in a collab with Victoria Collier. Her channel is The Victorian Edge, and hopefully I'll link everything below. She's hosting it. And then Judy Lee and I will be also participating. And for 12 weeks, we're going to have tutorials on the same, each of us will have the same projects, but our own style or twist or whatever, of how we're going to do the thing. And I'm trying for Mondays. I'm calling it Make It Monday. Or maybe Make It Tuesday. Well, then again, we might have to go to Wednesday. Okay, just kidding. Okay, well, I hope I'm kidding. Anyway, my plan is to make it Monday. And put it on sometime Monday. Now, the thing is, we'll be showing tutorials. And it'll be ephemera to go inside a journal, which I've never made. But Judy tells me we're doing simple ones. It had better be. I think she said a no-sew journal. It better be. Okay. So after we make all this stuff, we'll be doing it, putting a journal together and then decorating the journal and so forth. Now there will be, or might be, some hidden, well, there will be some hidden giveaways. But you won't know unless you watch our videos. At least we hope you watch our videos. And we'd appreciate if you would be a subscriber. That would be actually for me, that's a requirement that you be a subscriber. Like, dislike. But anyway, hopefully you'll like. Comment if you want to, and share if you want to. Okay. But anyway, just have to watch and see. And it will start this Monday, February the 1st. So, I hope you will watch for... Now, that's mine. I think Judy's going to be Tuesday, and I think Victoria's Wednesday. But if you're a subscriber and you've touched, done that little bell, you'll get notified when we're doing one. Okay. But it'll be fun. I hope. Stress. Okay, just kidding. Anyway, I think that's everything. Yes, I think I've got everything. Okay, y'all take care. And look forward to watching and maybe commenting. I enjoy comments. Okay, bye y'all.